Hola, estudiantes. So here I'm showing quickly what to do after you sign in. To sign in, make sure you go to your login at flvs.net and put your username and password. After that, you're going to see here my classes. When you click on my classes, I have many classes, but you're probably just going to see the elementary Spanish, Ana Cicada 4, 6 to 8. You can click on that and you're going to see your Spanish class. But if you only have the Spanish class, you don't even have to click there. You can just go well, I click it. So let's wait and see what happens. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, it's coming. If you check here, you're going to have some how-to videos. You have some other information. Here's where you're going to sign in to go to your class time. That means like when we are going to have a class time together. And it's good that you have your iPad or your computers with you and sign into the class time so you can do some activities with me. It can be more interactive, okay? But it's also great if the teacher can have also the laptop so that way you can put the screen, you can see me bigger, and I can see you guys, and I can call you to the camera because the iPad, the camera is not going to work. Okay, great. So now how do I start my class? Okay, to start your class, you go to your lessons. Okay, click on the lessons. When you click on the lessons, you're going to see that you have four modules. One, two, three, and four. So make sure you go to, of course, module one. For the first segment, the first semester is just going to be one and two. So to December, you're probably going to be done with one and two. And then starting in January, you're going to be going to three and four. So when you click, for example, of course, you're going to start on module one, Viva Mexico. You're going to click here and you're going to see the pretest. You do not have to take the pretest. So you're going to click on lesson 101. Okay, Spanish is fun. So you're going to see some introduction. Pay attention to the words that are on the line. You can click on those words. You can listen to the words, okay? Or you can see their meaning sometime, okay? And then to change your page, you see here that you have a little house, a home. You're going to click on the arrow, next page. Or if you need to go back, of course, you go to the previous page. So you click here, next page, and you're going to go to your next page and you have some more information. You read all the information and keep clicking on your pages. And you're going to see that it says part A, part B, part C, right? You're going to, for the first week, you have to do part A and B. Make sure you pay attention to all the little buttons and videos and things and read everything. Okay? And then you keep going, and I just want to show when you go, see here, you have to scroll this, right, to see a lot of nice pictures. And let's go to this part A. You're only gonna have an assignment for your online assignment on your last part, on part E. Okay, for this first module, your only assignment is when you say lesson wrap up. What is my assignment? That's when you have to do your online assignment. And that some of those going to be graded by the teacher, some are graded online. So, oh, well, how do I go now to my 101? Spanish is fun. You can either click on assessments or you can click on my grades. Okay, so you're going to click on my grades. When you click on my grades, of course, you're going to see your grade report. You can see if it's uh, green, you got above a 60. If you got a pink, it's below 60. You can always resubmit for a better grade. If you see it's gray, it's because it has been exempt, so you don't have to do it. Okay, so you see here that your first assignment is going to be number 2 because the number 1, the pretest was exempted. So you click here on Spanish is fun. and this is a quiz. So when it's a quiz, all you have to do is, of course, most of the quiz is going to be multiple choice. So let's wait a little bit. I don't want you to see the quiz, but you're going to see that you're going to have to choose your multiple choice answer and then click submit exam. This exam you should be doing next week, okay, on the second week. After that, if you have another kind of assignments you might have, some are recording, and when we get to the recording, if you need help, I'll be helping you. So, for example, we have here 103 Los Colores, okay? That is an assignment. That's going to be when you go to your lesson 103. So when you get to 103, you're going to see that you have to click twice, okay? You have to click submit for grading like this, and then submit for grading again. So you have to be careful to submit it twice, okay? And you can answer your questions by writing on the student comments, but most of the time you're going to attach a file. So you're going to see here, select a file to upload, and you can add the file, but I can help you when you get there. Okay, so mainly I wanted to explain to you how to navigate the course. So remember, you go to lessons to find your lessons. To change the pages, click on the little arrow. And then to do your assignments, you can go to My Grade. Here you can write an email to the teacher if you have questions, if you want to know something, or if you just want to say, Hola, ¿cómo estás, profesora? You can do that. I will be teaching you once a week, and I'll be very, very very, very happy to help you. Okay, gracias and buenas tardes.